Fucking smart. Fucking dumbass.
He died early.
God, Jesus.
What are you doing?
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Holy fucking shit, bro.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Look, look, you have a fucking yield sign, asshole.
Okay, let's not have a...
The fuck are you doing?
Are you kidding? What's wrong with you?
I love how they.
There's no one
wait.
behind me. There's no
Wait,
one
what
behind
was
me.
Was she yelling at you in her mirror?
Yeah, and gesturing and everything else.
Oh shit, what's this car doing? What the f?
Jesus Christ, guy, what are you doing? Get the out of the way, bro! Stop! Go! Stop!
Like what the f?
Why isn't this guy going straight?
What the f?
Okay, go. He's trying to go to the little meetup here.
What the? Just
Yeah,
wait.
yeah,
That it's very bad porn. Porn is meant to be sexually arousing, which I would argue the sex scenes in this movie are not because they're so over the top. They also don't linger or focus on penetration, which is key. They're not having actual sex, which is also a part. Porn is actual people having sex. There's no liquids, there's no moisture. Showing a lot of boobs and ass and pubes is not a porn make it.